Here's a recap for Apple from May 22nd. This is a screenshot of the trade I did take. If you remember my video from yesterday, I was looking for a move above this 153.45 area. I actually gapped up above it, and I was close to taking a gap and go setup here, but I wanted to wait for the 5 minute to materialize. Had an inside candle here, ended up being red at a previous resistance. It told me that it was probably not as likely to just run as some of the gap and goes have done with Apple lately. So did not take that trade, and as you can see, that was a great idea as it rolled over on itself and came all the way back down to fill in the gap from the open. A couple things about this gap level: it was the 8-period exponential moving average. It was a gap, obviously, and the previous opening range of the previous day. Once I saw this 5 minute hammer candle come in here, took a trade just above. It told me it was possibly bouncing off this 8-period exponential. We have a good risk reward area, and continued up higher from there. Trailed out to where it failed just below 154 and at the opening range price. A lot of times that does happen when you get price action like this. That opening range price or something in that opening 5 minute candle will usually provide either a profit target or resistance or support, depending on which way price action is going. Anyways, overall ended up being a decent trade there. Now onto the live chart here. A couple of things that are still interesting. We still have not necessarily left this 8-period exponential moving average, which is at 153.05 over there. So I'm going to go ahead and put a level here. Let's call it around right there. It's not going to be exact. And when price action does move tomorrow, open up tomorrow, this will probably continue up a little bit higher. So for now, this is the tentative plan. I'm going to go ahead and add something to this one. That way I know what it's for. Something else I was just noticing a few minutes ago. After this initial sell-off, basically everything has reset, in my opinion. So now any kind of patterns or trends or anything that was there is now going to need to be readjusted to account for this huge sell-off that occurred on Wednesday. So with that in mind, we now have basically this type of a trend, and as long as that stays in place, should be good to go. I'd expect somewhat of a flash down below through here, catch some buyers down around this region here, and push up above. That's ideally what I'd be looking forward to for tomorrow. And on the open, not really seeing kind of a gap and go type of trade. However, this is now standing out as this level of the sell-off day. The high was 154.57, and today the high was 154.58. Broke it by just a penny, which at least implies that this level is not as strong for the bears as it could be. So going forward, this could be looked at as an ascending triangle pattern, although you are kind of discounting this price action here when drawing this line. So the overall measured move, possible price target would be from about 151 to about 154.5, which is $3.50 above here. Would take it up to about 158. So I may play that kind of a pattern with some options. Patterns do fail, and in order to take that trade, I would actually need to see some volume push it up above here to confirm that kind of a move. So I will go ahead and push this down here, and if that does trigger in, as with any breakout, you want the stop loss to be just below that breakout level. Otherwise, it's not truly a breakout, and it's no longer a breakout trade. So with that in mind, this is the trade plan I will have going forward tomorrow on the open. And it's kind of coming to an apex in a triangle, and usually when that happens, something's got to give, whether it's the bears giving up or the bulls giving up. Something should happen tomorrow, or worst case scenario, just go sideways. But anyways, these are levels I'm looking forward to trading against. Hope you enjoy the video. Good luck.